This is Kirk Wright, the one and only Kirk Wright, the one that you love so much. You know, first of all, I want to say thanks for the outpouring of love. There were some negative comments, but you know, that's okay. People say all sorts of things, that I was in ICU, I was in theater, did surgery. None of that. And much of what was said on social media is just not true. Disregard it. But you know, I'm good, and I can tell you, boy, my phone rang off the hook. I can't answer all the messages, so I'm doing this now to just to let everybody know that I'm out. You know, I came out today. I'm well. I drove myself to the hospital, and I drove myself from the hospital. But people, the love, everybody who send up prayers, big up on yourself. And you know what? I'm ready for work again. You get me? But remember, 99% of what you heard on social media or saw is just not true. Big up on yourself. Love you now.